In just 2 weeks on YouTube, I've learnt some of the most valuable lessons of my entire life. Lessons I wish I'd understood years ago. Lessons about fear, focus, and what really matters when you're chasing a dream. If you've ever felt stuck or unsure about starting something big, stick around, because what I'm about to share might be exactly what you need to hear. I've wanted to start a YouTube channel for years. And not just any channel, one that truly helps people create the life they've always wanted. But here's the crazy part. Even with all of that passion and desire, I didn't upload a single video. Not one. I kept telling myself I'd start one day, when the timing was right or when I was ready. But deep down, I was stuck in a cycle of overthinking, doubting myself, and feeling overwhelmed by everything I didn't know. This dream isn't new. It's been with me since way before YouTube even existed. Back in the early 2000s, when I first discovered Adobe After Effects, I wanted to make tutorials for motion graphics and visual effects artists. I could picture it so clearly in my head, showing people how to make awesome effects and graphics and helping them create something that would impress their clients and friends. But then I found Video Copilot, a creator who was already doing exactly what I wanted to do and doing it better than I thought I ever could. So I gave up. Looking back, that was my first big limiting belief. Why bother if someone else is already doing it? And I carried that belief with me for years. It didn't just stop me from creating tutorials, it stopped me from doing so many things I was passionate about. When I started teaching video production, I threw myself into it with everything I had, and I even started creating my own course on the side. I spent weeks writing and perfecting that course. It covered everything from basic filmmaking to advanced techniques, different camera functionality. It was the whole thing, the whole 9 yards. My goal with that course was to create the ultimate resource for anyone wanting to learn video production on a budget. But when it came time to share it, I froze. I uploaded the course to a website, but I couldn't bring myself to promote it. I didn't know how to market it. And honestly, I didn't believe people would care. I was scared they'd think, who does this guy even think he is? So I told myself it wasn't worth the effort, and I moved on. Over the years, my interest shifted, but the pattern stayed the same. At one point, I got into making movie and video game prop replicas, and I loved it. I'd spend hours crafting swords and masks and other props, completely losing myself in the process. But once again, I stopped myself from sharing that passion. Filming the process felt like a distraction, something that would take me away from the real work. But here's the truth I've finally come to understand. The product was never the sword or the mask. The product was the video. People didn't just want to see a shiny finished prop. They wanted to see how it was made. They wanted to learn, to be inspired, and to believe they could create something amazing too. So fast forward to today. 2 weeks ago, I finally launched this YouTube channel. And in that short time, I've learned more about myself, my fears, and my dreams than I have in years. Here's what I've realized. The things that stop us, the distractions, the limiting beliefs, the self-doubt, they're universal, but they don't have to win. Let me share the 3 biggest lessons I've learned so far. This first one kind of hurt. As soon as I started my channel, I found myself comparing it to others. I'd look at channels that were growing faster and think, why would anyone watch my content when they could watch theirs? What do I have to offer that's unique? It's the same mindset that stopped me back in the 2000s when I saw Video Copilot. I thought, if someone else is already doing it and doing it better, what's the point? But here's the truth. Just because someone else is doing something doesn't mean you can't do it too. Think about shoes. I know weird analogy for me to throw in the middle of this video, but stick with me. There are hundreds of brands out there, and they all do essentially the same thing, yet we don't all wear the same pair. Your voice, your perspective, and your story are unique. People will resonate with you, but only if you give them the chance. Another huge hurdle that I've faced is the fear of being new at this. I tell myself, why would anyone listen to me when there are already so many established creators out there? Why would anyone care about my channel when I have no proof of success yet? And that fear kept me from sharing my brand's message. My goal with this channel is to help people over 40 create and grow a YouTube business that generates 10K per month. I am passionate about it because I know how life-changing that kind of financial freedom can be. But I was so scared of being judged that I couldn't even say it out loud. Here's what I've learned. Everyone starts somewhere. You don't need to be an expert to help someone who's a few steps behind you. And being transparent about your journey can actually make you more relatable. I realized I was spending too much time on things that didn't move the needle forward. I'd obsess over analytics, I'd buy new lights and tweak my whole setup, thinking that if I made my videos look perfect, they'd somehow be more successful. But just like with those prop replicas, I was focusing on the wrong thing. The product isn't the lights or the polished look. It's the content. People want to see the process. They want to see the mistakes, the effort, and the journey. That's what inspires them to believe they can do it too. This channel isn't about perfection. It's about showing the messy, imperfect reality of starting from scratch. I want this to be a space where we learn and grow together. A space where you can see the highs and the lows, the wins and the failures, and know that you're not alone. I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to fail, and so will you. But the key isn't avoiding failure. It's getting back up every single time and keeping your eyes on the future you're working toward. If you've been waiting for the right time to start, let this be your sign. Stop waiting and start now. And if you need support, stick with me. We'll figure this out together. Because it's not about the failures. It's about what you do after them that matters most. I'll see you out there.